Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a disk write error on Steam. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now first things first, you want to go ahead on Steam at the top and exit it, completely shut it down. After you will do that, you want to go to Task Manager and make sure that everything is closed for Steam. So I'm just gonna write down Steam here, and here on Steam you want to close all of these, basically end task for all of them. After you have done that, go again on search, write down Steam, and right click of your mouse and run as admin. After that, your problem should be fixed. If not, then you want to open up your Steam again. Once you're on Steam, you want to go and find your game. So for example, go on library and for example find your game which you have installed, and then go to properties by right clicking on your mouse, and after that you will see here installed files. As you can see, it will be on any game, and after that you want to click verify integrity of software files. Click on it and verify the files. Then again look if the problem was fixed. If not, you have one more option to go to Steam, go to settings, go on your downloads, and here you will see download region. So you want to go ahead and find your region and basically change it to your region. Now what you also want to do is go ahead and clear download cache, click clear cache. After that you will need to relog into your Steam, and that should fix your problem. Now if that will not work, the only other option would be to go ahead and reinstall Steam. So that would be to go on search and then write down installed apps and open it up. Once you will be here, you want to find Steam, and then you're gonna click three dots, click uninstall, and then reinstall it again. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.